Hi guys, welcome back. So basically we pulled out some of the interior and found some more rust holes. We've got a big piece to work on here. We're going to cut that out, and there's some rust that's been done over this side that we're going to cut out and redo, but nothing too major. We're also going to get this dashboard out just now and see what's behind there. Right guys, let's get the steering wheel off. There's just one nut to undo there. Be nice to know if there's any more rust behind the dashboard there once we get that out. Just pull a bit, it'll come off. I think in the dashboard it's just these little screws along the side here and the top. I'll just get those out. Might replace those as well. This one's a little bit harder to get to. Almost. I think it's just two more there. We just got one more there. Oh, two more under here, which I think are out already. Let's see if it wants to come out. Oh, there we go, it's loose. Something holding it. Oh, there it comes. Oh. Gotta get over that. I've got it stuck on there. Oh, but that wasn't important. A bit of wrestling, it's out. Oh. Alright, so that's not looking too bad. Next we'll have to get this windscreen out and have a look down there and see what rust we got there. We'll have to pry this rubber back carefully. Might need to use two screwdrivers just to ease it nicely. I think that's maybe. We won't be using this windscreen now. It's cracked. I think the rubber's all out there. Sure, it was a bit of a battle. It took us about 30 minutes to get the rubber out completely, but I think it should lift out now. There it comes. windscreen out. Well, there's a small bit of rust there, not too much. You just got a little bit, couple of holes along there, little hole along there, and I think this whole top piece is fine, that whole top piece is fine. See a little bit up here as well, but that's not too major. A little bit of steel plating. It looks like we'll have to get all of these air boxes out and everything, because we're going to be spraying inside as well. That'll be removed. Also might be a bit of rust work to sort out behind here. I think that once that's out, we'll be able to prepare it nicely for painting. So it looks like these vents are just held in by screws to the body, one there and on that side. To get those out of the way, I think the bottom just unclips. That's one. That one's also just got two screws that hold it in there. There's another one. That's attached to that whole box, I think. Get that one off. The other one. This one's stronger than the others. Just that one can come off as well. One more there. Wedged against the steering rack. Okay, we'll wait till we unbolt the steering rack, I think, just to take that bracket off. But we'll have to get this matte stuff off as well, because there's some rust by the battery shelf that we're going to repair there also. Right, so we're just going to get these two bolts out of those brackets. I think it's just those two, and that'll get our steering column out the way. And these two. And just these ones. Sure, these ones are long. Right, is that all that was holding that? This bracket should come out now. Oh, there we go. That's off. Now we can get that out. And then I think there's just two more bolts that are holding in. What do we have? I had a 13 here for that. There's just one under here. Some are a bit difficult to get to. I think there's just one more the other side. Yeah, one more there. Almost there. Alright, that's those two. Oh, and that'll get that out the way. And then next we must just get this, some kind of sound protection. Alright, so that's out of the way. It's just to get this sound deadening stuff off here. Hoping to use it again, so we don't want to damage it. It's stuck on something. That's coming. Pull hard enough. There we go, that's out. Right, so that's the whole dash. Pretty much the interior stripped. We'll have to see what else we're up against. Alright, so that's it for this video. Feel free to comment and make suggestions below. See you next time.